What if we told you that in just 90 days, without using a single piece of equipment, you could entirely transform your strength, mobility, and physique? Whether you're a fitness newbie or an experienced athlete, calisthenics offers a complete workout for your entire body using only your body weight. In this video, we're breaking down what happens when you commit to calisthenics for 90 days. Expect some mind-blowing changes. Welcome to 90 Days Better, where we focus on pushing boundaries and achieving personal transformations. We'll go over the science behind why calisthenics works, the changes your body undergoes, and even share a fun fact about how calisthenics dates back to ancient Greece. So, stick around to find out how this age-old practice can transform your modern fitness journey. Let's get it. Gyms can be intimidating, crowded, and expensive. A lot of people struggle to stay consistent due to time, cost, or lack of access to equipment. In fact, research shows that only about 23% of Americans meet the recommended guidelines for both aerobic and muscle-strengthening activities. But here's the good news. You don't need fancy equipment or gym memberships to build serious strength and improve your fitness. This is where calisthenics comes in. But what exactly can you expect when you commit to 90 days of bodyweight training? Let's start with the first week. In your first week of calisthenics, you'll quickly realize that mastering the basics like push-ups, squats, and planks is tougher than it seems. You may experience muscle soreness and fatigue as your body adapts to this new form of resistance training. The key is consistency. Start with manageable reps and focus especially on proper form. Avoid overtraining and give yourself time to recover. By the end of week 1, you'll already notice improved muscle endurance and a heightened sense of body awareness. As you move into weeks 2 through 4, your body starts to adapt. Muscle memory kicks in, and movements become smoother. At this stage, you'll likely start experimenting with new exercises like dips, pull-ups, or variations of squats and lunges. This is where you begin to build functional strength, the kind that enhances your day-to-day activities. Unlike many machine weights, calisthenics works multiple muscle groups at once, improving balance, coordination, and stability. You may also notice an increase in your cardiovascular endurance as you combine strength and movement in high-intensity circuits. By month 2, you're not just stronger, you're more in tune with your body. This is when the mind-body connection becomes incredibly apparent. Calisthenics teaches you to engage muscle groups you might have overlooked in conventional workouts, like stabilizers and core muscles. And let's not forget the aesthetic changes. Expect to see more definition in your chest, arms, legs, and core. Your posture improves after strengthening your back and shoulders, and your metabolism speeds up as you build lean muscle. All this without stepping into a gym. By month 3, you've likely reached a new level of mastery in your calisthenics routine. You'll be able to perform more advanced moves such as muscle-ups or even handstand push-ups. These exercises require immense body control, coordination, and strength, making them some of the most rewarding physical feats you can achieve. But the real transformation goes beyond just strength. It's about mental toughness, discipline, and a newfound appreciation for your body's capabilities. You'll not only feel more confident, but also more self-reliant. So, why is calisthenics so effective? The answer lies in how your body reacts to compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups at once. When you perform a push-up, for example, you're not only working your chest, but also your shoulders, triceps, core, and even stabilizer muscles. This leads to better overall muscle balance and coordination. Additionally, calisthenics improves neuromuscular efficiency, meaning your brain becomes better at communicating with your muscles. This further reinforces the neural pathways responsible for muscle contraction, allowing you to lift more with less effort over time. Let's pause for a moment and reflect on how far you've come. 90 days ago, you went from struggling with basic push-ups to performing advanced calisthenics moves with ease, noticing better results than using equipment. Your body has significantly changed. You've built lean muscle, lost fat, and improved your mobility. But the biggest transformation is mental. You've cultivated the discipline and consistency to achieve something extraordinary using nothing but your body weight. And that's something no gym membership can give you. Here's a fun fact. Calisthenics has its roots in ancient Greece. The term itself comes from the Greek words kalos, meaning beauty, and sthenos, meaning strength. This combination of beauty and strength reflects the balanced approach calisthenics takes to fitness, focusing on form, function, and aesthetics. In fact, Many ancient Greek athletes used these same bodyweight exercises to train for events like the original Olympic Games. Calisthenics has dramatically improved your posture, enhanced your coordination, and transformed your body, all without any dumbbells, weights, or machines. Most importantly, you've developed a sustainable fitness routine that you can do anytime, anywhere. Whether you're looking to continue your calisthenics journey or explore new fitness challenges, you've proven that your body is capable of incredible things. Here's to your journey and whatever you take on next. If you enjoyed the high-quality content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. From health and wellness to fitness and finance, 90 Days Better covers everything you need to elevate your game with powerful habits. After all, you may be only one video away from changing your life for the better. Check out the links in the description for helpful tools and resources to support your journey, and until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.